you so much.
Ariana and Rona have a hard time going through the photos of Wade McPherson. The husband, father, and grandfather spent 7 months in hospital before passing away on December 28th.
How young he was there. So handsome.
McPherson was working at the Avis dealership last May when the family says he was attacked by two men and hit in the head with a bottle. When he called his daughters for help, they say he wasn't making any sense and they called 911.
I get there, they're wheeling my dad out, and he's got blood all over him, and he's got this big bandage in the back of his head.
McPherson was taken to the Montreal General Hospital and then transferred to the Royal Victoria. Ariana says her father had pre-existing medical conditions that were amplified after the attack. She was told that her father suffered from a swelling of the main artery from his heart, which was at risk of rupturing. His blood pressure soared and other complications ensued. Ariana says she was told by hospital staff that they would not operate on his heart because of his age. McPherson was 66 at the time.
So we were kind of shocked. Where did this come from?
More medical problems emerged. McPherson spent 7 months in the hospital, but as time passed, his family felt the care he was receiving decreased.
They were not giving him adequate care in the sense that we asked that they give him high-level care. So should he code, resuscitate him? Should he need antibiotics, give them to him just to give him a fighting chance at life?
Ariana says she feels hospital staff essentially gave up on her dad.
They said he's a waste of resources and we should let nature take its course.
McPherson was eventually discharged on December 21st, but returned to a hospital in Chateauguay where he died on December 28th.
I'm sickened. I'm shocked. It doesn't give me confidence in the healthcare system.
Ariana says her family complained to the MUHC staff, including 2 formal ones made with the Ombudsman's office. They're also considering a lawsuit.
I think they just brushed him off.
In a statement to Global News, a spokesperson for the MUHC writes that they cannot comment on individual cases. It continues, "We are committed to providing compassionate, respectful, and excellent care at every step and always." And the family can contact the Ombudsman's office, writing, "We actively contribute to all investigations conducted by this office." One patient's rights advocate says he sympathizes with the family.
If appropriate inquiry conclude to some negligence that could have occurred, depending of what would be the result of any inquiry, and I hope there's an inquiry.
But for now, the family's focus is on giving McPherson the respectful funeral he deserves. Tim Sargeant, Global News, Chateauguay.